Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Now, in the training news that we have today, a freight train derailed in Tennessee Tuesday afternoon after slicing through a tractor trailer as it was crossing the tracks. The crash and subsequent derailment took place in the Chattanooga suburb of Collegedale in Hamilton County at around 1:30 p.m. when it was caught on video. The witness recording appears to show the Norfolk Southern train plowing into a semi-hauling along concrete highway barrier. The trailer appeared to be moving very slowly at the time of the crash, which produced a deafening roar, leaving the vehicle in pieces. The impact apparently triggered the derailment, causing multiple train cars to go off the tracks. Two people were transported to local hospitals with injuries, but their conditions were not immediately known.